Look at you.
Look at you.
Look, there's a screen, there's a mic. What are we doing over here?
I'm awake.
All right, let's do it.
Well, let's get the event started. My name is Larissa Hayden. I'm the Associate Director of Community Hosted Experiences at Atlas Obscura. I would say one of the most unique parts about my job is the emails that I get. For example, I was sent an email by a stranger who told me that he and his friend had come into a collection of rare 1970s cult classic Italian cookbooks, and they were making a movie about them. They wanted to know, hey, would the Atlas Obscura audience be interested in learning more about these? Certo, of course. So that email obviously was the genesis of this evening. Thank you all so much for joining us tonight. What are you two drinking?
What are we drinking, Peter? You made the drinks.
We're drinking ancient Roman Vermouth, or a slight variation on it, so it's a little bit more palatable.
Let's go back into time to the De Re Coquinaria, which is the first cookbook of all time. It's written in Latin by a guy named Apicus. I didn't know.
Great name.
Great name. And one of the recipes in it is this ancient Roman vermouth. So one of the fun things that we like to do is find these bizarro recipes and try to bring them back to life. And why is that fun for us? Because the cookbook basically let us go travel to these different stores. We're having these great interactions with people that are blowing our minds about all sorts of wild things. And it's not something you're going to read about on Yelp. You know what I mean? But let's have a drink. Tell me what's going on over here.
We use the Pinot Grigio just as a light base wine, but the traditional recipe would have a heavier red from Campania. It is easy to make, but also you can overdo it. You can really just put too many herbs in the mixture. But part of the fun of experience like this is to create your own drink from this.
So this is a really fun project, and it's a great way to kind of illustrate that, there's so many cool cookbooks out there, and they're a great way to kind of explore your world.